The aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford and its strike group sailed over the weekend to the North Sea, while the Abraham Lincoln Carrier Strike Group, CSG, headed to Alaska to participate in Exercise Northern Edge 2025 and E-25, a bilateral exercise with Canada. In the Pacific, the Naval Warship Abraham Lincoln, CSG, sailed to Alaska to train with the Canadian military. While the exercise is held every 2 years, this year's exercise coincided with President Donald Trump's summit in Alaska with Russian leader Vladimir Putin to discuss the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict. A total of 7 ships, 6,400 military personnel, and 100 aircraft are expected to participate in Exercise Northern Edge 25, which begins Sunday. NE-25 is a large-scale global exercise led by the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command that serves as a platform for joint multi-domain operations. The exercise's purpose is to provide advanced and realistic warfighter training, strengthen joint interoperability, and sharpen the air and naval combat readiness of U.S. and participating forces, according to a release from the exercise. This year's iteration of Northern Edge coincides with Exercise Arctic Edge 2025, the annual exercise of the North American Aerospace Defense Command and U.S. Northern Command. For the first time, the 2 exercises will occur simultaneously, with activities spanning the Alaskan Theater of Operations, including the Aleutian Islands and Adak Island. The Royal Canadian Navy, RCN, and Royal Canadian Air Force, RCAF, will be fully integrated with U.S. forces. RCAF and RCN assets will include an Airbus CC-150 Polaris tanker and a Halifax-class frigate, HCMS Regina, FFH-334, according to the release.